Alright friends, we are going to cover this text reveal animation in this video. As you can see the sample on your screen, I have also provided the source code of this thing in the description. Please check it out if you do not. So we are going to cover this thing with the help of HTML and CSS only. So here in the index.html, in the head section, I have created the meta tag for responsing my web page, title and linking my CSS file. So after it, in the body section, let's zoom it so that you will be able to see it in the low pixel also. So here in the body I have created a div of class animation and giving a simple heading or dummy heading of your own choice. So let's preview with the live server. Here is the preview that we have written till now in the copy this thing in the style.css which I have linked. Here I have given margin padding and font family is sans serif, font size is 20 pixel. After that I want to style the animation. So here in this I want to give the position is absolute. After that top is 50 percentile and left is 50 percentile, so that it will be aligned at the center. But initially it is not, because we have not used the transform and translate minus 50 percentile and minus 50 percentile. So the text has been exactly at the center of the page. So as you can see, now after this I want to style the heading. Here I want to give the font size will be 4 em. After that, as you can see, I want to change the color from black to gray, some white gray, #55. You can use any other color also according to your choice, or you can put the linear gradient also. So here in the heading I want to create a before and after class, which is pseudo classes. I have used the after class. I am giving position absolute, and I have in the heading tag I am giving the padding is 20 pixel. After that I want to give the position relative after saving, because if you do not have put the position relative in the heading, then it will take it the animation box as its initial thing. So here I have put in the top 0, left 0, width is 100%. So there have been no change because we have not put in the height and background. So height is 100% and background will be according to your own choice or own color. So for the ease of convey I have put in the light and green, as you can see. Now here after this I want the border, or I want the border at the right, and let's say it will be what are the other option also we are searching. Then put at the border right. Here I am putting the border right 10 pixel, which is quite large because we have also used the font size is 4 em, so I have put in it. As you can see, this look beautiful and nice. After that I want to give a animation of name animate, or you can say you can give any name of your own choice. After that duration is 2 seconds. Just copy this thing here at the rate keyframes. I have pasted in the name. After that 0 percentile. In the 0 percentile I have given the width is 100%. So as you have remember, in the initially it is also 100%. Initially it is also 100%. So here I have created 4 section, 50, 51 percentile, and this will be 100%. So after saving it, let's decrease this value to 0. Here is 0. So here as you can see, at the 0 and 100 there the animation width will be 100%, and here at the 50 and 51 there will be 0. So as you can see, this animation will take place, but there have been the error. As you can see, the text has been at the top. So after saving it, let's rewind this thing. As you can see in the slow motion, there have been the initially it taking a part of taking its z index more than the text. So for this I think that here this will be the error. Now if we rectify this to the 45 percentile, so after saving it, let's reload. There will be the same error. Now this thing do not work, so cut this part. And after cutting it, and here I want in the z index will be 4. After saving it, let's reload. Here this is the desired product that we wanted till now, but there have been an issue one also, that after the animation completed I want this thing to be disappear. So here I want to give the forward. So after giving it, let's save it. As you can see, this animation will work at once, then after it we have to reload for the another one. So thanks for watching this video. Please practice, do practice this thing.